One eternity later, some of the parts came. We start to put back. It's not just a regular rebuild, it's a engine refreshed. New water pump. Okay, thermostat sits here. We got brand new. This little valve always on top. Cup. Clean. Not shiny, but paper gaskets. People in comments, maybe you know how to clean it efficient way. A little bit silicone. Oh, where the gasket sits, because not good surface anymore. Because they old. That's why it needs just very thin layer. Gaskets. Now a little bit here. It's like a sandwich, this engine, look. We have heads, we have primary cover, and then secondary cover. Like sandwich, puch in front, you see? What next? Maybe thermostat. If it sits like that. This is a serious crank. Lifetime warranty. Crank is fitted. Later we tight. What next? What next? Sits here. BMW badge. It's still from factory. The times when BMW was good car. Now it's time to remember tensioners. These ones. Looks like everything's done. Now the belt. How was it? I don't know. Something like that. That's how it sits. Something like this. This motherfucker adjustable. I think maybe rocker covers can be fitted. Nothing left here on the top. Only rocker covers. Why is not going?
A few moments later.
I just made a mistake. I put this upside down. So I take off everything from the front. Twist it. Now it's fine. Okay, now need to prepare rocker covers. You see? All that needs to be taken out. That bit, yeah? New gaskets as well. See, when they stay, it's easy to remove them. Little bit Victorines. Yes, bro. Inside sitting seal. So seal we're taking out. About the same. Stays like that. Then it's that motherfucker. This. Oop. Now we're doing the same shit. Other side. I think the exhaust manifold, the gasket, they fit both sides, everything, but this one faces down because of the block. Now the last cover on the end of the side. Going to take this off, change the gasket so it will be dry. But look, quality, yeah? These bolts probably not been touched 30 years. Need to clean it, reseal it. Германия, блядь, надежно. It's new. I need to go clean this. Now that one, lubrication. Both transfer pipes on. Connector between heads on. It's time for them. We have to use a silicone. Sometimes you have to. Intake manifolds. Like this. We'll take out, put a little bit silicone, same. Injector rubber seals. You see how many? 24 should be. What? Simple old style injectors. No bullshit. Doesn't cost kurva 500 each. It's maybe 50 pound each. Refreshing petrol pipes. So we put new petrol pipes. New Jubilee clips as well. It's in. So now, other side. Nah, I think injectors have to come out. No problem. Engine look like engine now. Rich millionaire in the 90s. It's a 1/4 inch. It's not going. Doesn't fit through that hole. Whew. Great success. Injector fitting well. I think wiring loom. Да ну нахуй. This is for ECU. So many plugs. Fresh belts. New belts, new water pump. How does it stay? I don't know. Stays in this one. It's a breather system. Is that one sitting like that? Like this? Maybe. Let's see Prince car. Aha! Like that, you see? Yeah, like vertical. Yeah. Something like that. Throttle bodies. Stays. We'll put these vacuum pipes. Next, I need to fix the oil pump. And these two threads are fucked. So I need to take it out and make from M6 to M7. Damn. Okay, now need to try to tap it. Oh, very soft aluminum. Very soft. But some not aluminum, this housing. Some different metal. Like magnesium. Very soft, light. Yeah. Something different. Oh, much better. New threads made. I need to find bolts. Here you go, modification. Change this pickup rubber. Super important. Or you will lose your oil pressure. Pump is upgraded. Now sits how it should be. Fresh rubber seals. New stronger thread here. Oh, pump fitted. Sump. Looks nice and safe. It's ready to fit in. Clutch I can fit when the engine is in. Exhaust is blessed. Intake is done. Okay. Engine mounts now. Car is going down now. And engine is coming in.
Yeah, I might cheat on a bad thing, no. But I never cheat on a car edition, no way. Engine light on, that's a mad thing. Still it's only them man I rather, you know the vibe. Believe in your blood clot crash. Believe in your blood clot crash. It's Friday, car just got that fresh scan. Believe in a car that's gonna crash. Yeah. Might drop a pinky on a service or a bill on a job if it's worth it. True say the whip's moving greasy, but I know the car edition won't murk it. Oil leak, they detect that. DPF block, they eject that. Got tools that speak more facts than half of these jokers on Snapchat. Run the rams from early. Cam swap clean, work sturdy. Turbo hissing, not on their watch, they'll pull that down till it's pearly. Seen bare shops move crusty, but the car edition never moved dusty. Pickup's clean, vibe is mean, and it purrs like a cat on lean. Yeah, I might ghost on the side thing, but I never ghost on the car edition, no way. Back then the ride was a sad thing, now talk I'm mad on the carriage, you know the style. Believe in your blood like
For condenser, made a bracket. Old was broken, this little simple bracket. Old plate to hold the coil, been welded back to the chassis. Fit Air boxes with the MAF sensors. Fit the lights back. Sorted negative as well. Two body was broken. Just bolt from other side, nuts, that's it. What's left? One plug. Need to find. Is it spare or is it for something? And connect coil to positive. Gearbox will be done after pump is done, because the engine needs to stay tilted, otherwise you can't reach these pipes. Coolant valves are here, new. Gearbox is in. Time now for prop shaft to connect. Cool, let's try to crank. Kurwa! What if I mix them up, kurwa? First start looking good. Trukst. Okay, need fit the exhaust. Still taking 15 liters now. BMW is done.
It's BMW, not BMW. Bayerische Motorenwerke.
9 months later, MILF is back on the road.